So this man, let's call him John, he's always been an outdoor enthusiast, always chasing the next big adventure, hiking through dense forests, camping under the stars, exploring wild terrains. One day, he heard about this online retailer that sells outdoor clothing and accessories, and he's like, you know what, I could totally take this company to the next level. And this company, let's call it NB Gear to keep things confidential. It has been around since 2019 and always built solid reputation with super loyal customer base. And they've got these killer products like adventure pants, waterproof jeans, also some high-tech jackets, and the business is working really well. And everything is running smoothly with the drop shipping model, which basically means that they don't hold any inventory, and it's keeping overhead costs super low. Now, remember John? He's excited about the opportunity and he decides to dive into the deal. So he pulls up the confidential information memorandum, CIM in short, and he starts analyzing everything. And he sees that NB Gear has a 30% repeat customer rate and generates all its revenues through its websites, which means they own 100% of their customer data. And this is a gold mine for any marketer, if you know, because the website is professionally designed and optimized. It's got features like built-in pre- and post-sales, like upsells, mobile and SEO optimization, live chat, phone support, and brand ambassador program, and hundreds of customer reviews and testimonials, optimized product navigation, menu, everything you want, robust blog, built-in CTAs, media reach, and video-friendly content, really everything you need there. And the company started with 4 flagship products, and they were designed and developed in-house. So things like adventure pants that we mentioned, waterproof jeans, Apex jacket, and a summer cooling hoodie. So over time, they expanded their offering to include 14 products, and at this point, over 500 individual sizing SKUs and 9 print-on-demand products that include gloves, belts, socks, backpacks, print-on-demand hoodies, sweatshirts. So their product line appeals to a community of influencers who super enjoy these activities like hiking, camping, hunting, fishing, skiing, dog walking. John, he needs to figure out how to finance this deal, this acquisition. So he's thinking about getting a loan from the bank, maybe for about 75-80% of the deal, of the purchase price. John knows that the banks can be great partners in these deals because they can bring in most of the capital needed. But John also needs to cover the rest. He considers seller financing, where the current owners agree to finance part of the sale price. This is common in business acquisitions and it can significantly reduce the upfront capital needed from home. John then thinks about equity investors as well. So these are people or funds that invest in the business in exchange for a share of ownership. Those investors are taking a risk, but also hoping obviously to get a significant return if the business grows. John's goal is to blend these sources, so bank loans, seller financing, equity investors to cover the full purchase price. As John goes through the business information, he also looks at the company growth opportunities. NB Gear has a strong social media presence with over 23,000 followers on Facebook, over 51,000 on Instagram. They also have a massive email list with more than 200,000 of subscribers. So the company has a well-established group of brand ambassadors, affiliates, influencers who play a super vital role in building this brand and the products. John then also sees potential in expanding the product line, so improving local manufacturing to reduce the shipping times, scaling their existing page channels on marketing as well, because the business is currently marketed through diverse revenue channels, 14% from search engines, 15% from direct traffic, 26% from email, 23% from pay-per-click, 2% from referrals and affiliates, and 20% from other social medias channels. So with such diverse marketing strategy, there's a massive room to grow. John knows that finding deals just like this, it's not about luck. It's about finding and building a solid deal flow strategy. And he's looking for more deals just in case this one won't work. So John starts posting on his social media channels and letting everyone in his contacts knows that he's looking for businesses to acquire. He's reaching out to professionals, to accountants, lawyers, business brokers, and he's asking if they know of any business owners that might be interested in selling their business. He uses a CRM to track all these conversations, follow-ups, and new potential leads. John also attends industry events and trade shows. He meets people and builds relationships. He knows that the best deals often come from off-market opportunities where there's no competition, and he can build rapport with the seller. So he focuses on sectors that he understands and where he can add value, whether through his existing skills or by bringing in partners with the necessary expertise. In the meantime, John talks to the owner of NB Gear. Remember that company? He understands their motivations. He shows them that he's serious about taking care of the business and the employees. He drafts a non-disclosure agreement to get more detailed financial information and starts his due diligence process, and he's looking for any red flags in the business. John knows that this structure works if he stays consistent and keep at it. He's following a proven path, finding deals, analyzing them, securing financing, and closing the deal. It's not easy, but with determination and the right strategy, John is on his way to becoming a successful business owner, taking NB Gear to new heights. You see, John's vision for NB Gear is clear. He's ready to leverage his skills and resources to expand the company's reach, improve the operations, and improve its product offering. With determination and the right strategy, John can take NB Gear to new heights. And guess what? You can be John.